Yo, when'd you buy your first Bitcoin?
Last year.
Damn, if you bought that in 2011, you'd be a gazillionaire by now. Super bullish on this one. This one's going to the moon. Diversify your portfolio.
Welcome back. It has been a very, very rough week for all of us, and I'm glad to have y'all back with me. It's been hard for alts. A lot of alts have seen insane retracements. Bitcoin has seen about a 53% retracement as well, as it grazed our $30,000 target area we talked about on this show. But got some good news for you. Bitcoin is starting to consolidate between our $37,000 area mark and $41,000 area mark. On today's show, we are going to talk about this important range and what needs to happen for me to remain bullish, as well as some pretty crazy stories in crypto. Let's go ahead and get into it. Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto every day. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and set alerts. Let's go. All right, folks. So my good buddy Grime went ahead and posted what happened with pancakebunny finance. It was a hot mess, and there was a massive rug pull that happened. Well, it really wasn't a rug pull, even though some people will call it that. It was more like a flash loan attack. But pancakebunny went ahead and put this out to kind of explain what happened. The hacker used PancakeSwap to borrow a huge amount of BNB. The way they were able to do that is you're able to go ahead and utilize collateral and take out these DeFi loans, which I love DeFi loans. I think they're absolutely amazing. We talk about them a lot on my show. However, stuff like this can happen because the market is still unregulated. So my only issue with DeFi loans is how do we make it safe? And how do we make it safe to where we don't have flash loan attacks and people aren't doing crazy stuff like this? Well, there's not a simple answer because cryptocurrency is supposed to be decentralized. It's supposed to be a free market. We're not supposed to be dictating and telling other people what to do. So this also comes into play, the conversation about laws and regulation. What happens? Because a lot of people got hurt and lost a lot of money. I want to say the price was around $200 or $300 and it dropped all the way down to $3. Either way, it's part two of this. The hacker then went on to manipulate the price of USDT BNB as well as Bunny BNB. The hacker ended up getting a huge amount of Bunny through a flash loan. The hacker then dumped all of the Bunny in the market, causing the Bunny price to plummet. The hacker was paid back the BNB through PancakeSwap. So they took out a massive loan. They were able to essentially complete a flash loan and then pay back the collateral. So they were able to get their, whatever collateral they put up, they were able to get that back. So that's what happened. Even though a lot of people are going to call this a rug pull, it still kind of technically sounds like a rug pull, even though it was a flash loan attack, but it wasn't done by the team, as far as I know. Now let's go ahead and head over to the Medium article. All right, babes, so this is the official Medium article from Bunny Finance, pancakebunny. And I've heard that they've had a lot of reputable partnerships and all kinds of different things like that. So it's very unfortunate that this happened. We had the market dump, we had altcoins dump, and a lot of people's safe haven was this particular project, Bunny Finance. So if you were impacted by this, I want you to go ahead and read it and see what you have or what they're going to be able to do for you, because they are going to be able to help people. But the most important thing to kind of note was the exploit crashed the price of Bunny, which is 1 billion in total value, but it was not stolen. So it crashed the price, but 1 billion in total value was not stolen, which is important to note. They also stated here, once the code has been fixed in the next 24 hours, pancakebunny will resume normal operations with increased Bunny emissions over the next 90 days. The Bunny pool will disperse 100% performance fees accumulated by the time of exploit. At the present time, original Bunny holders have a class retain approximately 39 million in value, and they're actually going to be compensating the original holders for the difference between the market cap at the time of the exploit and the current retained value of 39 million in losses by issuing a new token, P-Bunny, and created a compensation pool. So they're going to go ahead and create a compensation pool. They're going to go ahead and take care of their people. This is amazing. This is very important to note. A lot of projects will not do this for you, but Bunny is. So I'm rooting for them. I'm hoping everybody that was impacted by this is going to be okay. This next story, I don't know how reputable this site is, but it is titled, U.S. Lawmaker pushes for safe harbor legislation to protect crypto investors with forked coins. Interesting. Let's go ahead and read an excerpt here. U.S. Congressman Tom Emmer is pushing for safe harbor legislation to protect taxpayers with forked coins. The bill is titled Safe Harbor for Taxpayers with Forked Assets of 2021. It has been introduced to prohibit penalties against taxpayers to report certain gains or losses on forked assets until the IRS issues sufficient guidance on how to do so. I love this. If this is true, I am here for it. I'm very, very happy. The reason why I'm very, very happy is because there's a lot of gray area in crypto right now. It is not good. And this is actually going to help a lot of us with our taxes. So if you've got a forked asset, which a lot of assets are forked assets, this can be positively beneficial for you. So make sure you pay attention to the Safe Harbor for Taxpayers with Forked Assets Act of 2021. This next story is pretty cool. Instagram to host panel for NFT creators, and this website is Coin Spectator. This is actually pretty interesting, and Instagram would be the perfect place to go ahead and start dealing with NFTs because that platform is about selfies. We love it. I'm not a big selfie person, but anyways, let's go ahead and read some stuff from here. So IG is hosting an event for NFTs creators as part of Creators Week, which will run for 3 days between June 8th and June 10th. It was designed to help creators grow their following and ultimately make more money from their platforms. This is dope. I'm here for it. They have told us they need more information on how to do that, not just from us, but from other creators. About 5,000 creators from the US are expected to attend, but IG plans to have global programming events take place virtually too. I think it's awesome, and I'm here for it. Another valid use case with NFTs. Before we talk about our next story, a couple things I want to talk about. So Elon Musk SNL crypto scam victims beg FTC for help. This is an interesting story. So what happens is a lot of people post scam live streams on YouTube and other social media outlets. People fall for it. They think it's true. They give money. They give their private keys. They give all kinds of stuff. Do not give anyone your private keys. Do not go on YouTube and see a speech of Elon Musk and be like, oh my God, it's Elon Musk talking. Yeah, what these people are doing is they're pulling footage from other speeches from Elon Musk that are not crypto related and other popular people and putting them up there and having you think that they're doing giveaways and all kinds of stuff. The thing is though, is I know that they're asking the FTC for help, and I get it, but at the same time, we have to do better at educating. So I'm going to be covering more and more stories about this type of stuff because I don't know if the FTC is actually going to be able to help. I hope it does, but guys, in the future, be very, very careful what you believe. Last story we have to talk about before we talk about Bitcoin price action because this is ridiculous. Elon Musk deleted a tweet. My buddy Mean Hash said, oof, that ratio before most of the country is even awake. So this is a screen cap. Elon Musk tweeted Michael Gigachad Saylor. And then Michael Saylor came back and said, and if you go to the thread, you'll see the deleted tweet by Elon Musk, and Michael Saylor totally ratioed him. Bitcoin is electronic money. Real cars use more electricity than toy cars. The article above is full of logical arrows and falsehoods. Bitcoin is the most efficient technology for converting energy into prosperity we have yet to devise. Shout out to Michael Saylor. I'm a Michael Saylor stan. All right, guys, let's kind of take a look at the current cryptocurrency market right now. Right now, we're pretty much in a sea of red, which is expected. There are a few gainers. Of course, we love our USDT. I'm always joking here. Doge is holding up incredibly well at 40 cents, 39 cents, which I'm surprised. A lot of people are talking to me about ICP. Sol is banging, doing well. Cardano at 174, which I love to see. Got a bag of Cardano. And a lot of stuff is still in red, but that's okay. It does happen. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin and see what we can expect. We're also going to cover ETH too. The moment you've been waiting for, Bitcoin rejected at $41,000. Eek. This is the 4-hour chart. Let's take a look at the daily though. All right, this is our daily chart, and I've got my area so you guys can see from about 65 down to about $30,000. We had a 53% correction, which I called right on the nose. Had to gloat a little bit. Can't fault me for that. Right now, it looks like Market Cipher wants to turn up. We really, really want to turn up desperately. However, is it going to happen or not? I don't know, guys. We're having a lot of issues sustaining right now. Again, this range here, 41 to about 37,000 is crucial. If we lose 37,000, we'll probably bounce here to 34 or just have a flash crash down to about $30,000 again. And if that breaks, we can see $25,000 to $20,000. Let's hope not. Taking a look at the 4-hour chart here, we had a mean rejection of about $41,000. Even though Market Cipher did print that green dot, when I see that massive green dot, it's showing me consolidation. If we look at what's happened on Market Cipher before, anytime we print that green dot, consolidation here, over here, consolidation. So the fact that we're able to kind of see this consolidation take place, even back to April 7th of 2021, consolidation, this is just telling me that we're going to see consolidation. However, the oscillators and the VWAP, everything is looking bearish, like we want to head down. So we're probably going to get back down to about 37. We got to watch this and see if it holds. If it breaks, expect some more volatility. Taking a look at Ethereum, this is my Ethereum 4-hour chart. Key areas for Ethereum are going to be $3,000 to approximately $2,400 here. We need to really sustain this area. Right now we had a rejection in this top area about $2,900, which makes sense. Same with Bitcoin. We're seeing green dots printed here. That just indicates consolidation. So for Ethereum, I need us to flip $3,000 for me to be bullish. For Bitcoin, I need us to either break down $2,400 for me to be bearish. That would be the trigger area. These wicks are important to note because it's showing you how fast people are buying up. We had 2 wicks all the way down, one to 2,100 and one down to 1,900. Those are being bought up fast, so that is a little bit bullish. However, taking a look at the daily chart, we're still looking bearish. Pattern is very, very similar to Bitcoin. I would tread very lightly here. If you're up on altcoins, I would consider taking profit, at least take some off the table. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Be super, super safe out there. Bye-bye.